Michael, do you have a minute? I want to ask you something about our new colleague, Sarah.
Sure, Anna. What would you like to know?
Well, I see her around the office every day, but I'm still not very clear about her exact role. I know she works in the digital team, but what does she actually do?
That's a good question. Sarah's role is quite important, especially for our online projects. She is a digital content specialist, so she mainly focuses on creating and managing content for our website and social media platforms.
A digital content specialist? That sounds interesting, but also a bit complex. Can you explain her responsibilities in simple terms?
Of course. Basically, Sarah plans what kind of content we should post online. She writes articles, checks the design of the posts, and makes sure everything matches our brand style. She also schedules the posts and follows the performance results.
Oh, I see. So she doesn't just write content, but also manages how it appears online?
Exactly. Her job is not only creative, but also analytical. She looks at data like the number of views, likes, and comments, and then adjusts the content strategy based on that information.
That sounds like a lot of responsibility. Does she work alone or as part of a team?
She works closely with several departments. For example, she cooperates with the graphic designers, the marketing team, and sometimes even the sales department. Her role connects many parts of the company.
Interesting. So, when the marketing team launches a new campaign, does Sarah play a role in that too?
Yes, she definitely does. When there is a new campaign, Sarah helps develop the online communication plan. She decides what messages should be posted, how often, and on which platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn.
I didn't realize her role was so involved. I thought she just updated the company website from time to time.
Many people think that at first, but her responsibilities are much broader. She also monitors trends and studies what competitors are doing so we can stay ahead in the market.
So, she needs to be quite creative and also good with data, right?
Yes, exactly. She needs a balance of creativity and technical skills. She must understand how content attracts people, but also how it performs in terms of numbers and statistics.
Does she report directly to the marketing manager?
Yes, Sarah reports to Mr. Collins, the marketing manager. She gives weekly reports about content performance and discusses future strategies with him.
That makes sense. How does her role affect your work as a marketing assistant?
Well, we work together quite often. I help prepare campaign materials, and Sarah ensures that those materials are adapted for digital platforms. Sometimes I send her my ideas, and she turns them into engaging online posts.
It seems like communication between you two must be very important.
Absolutely. If we don't communicate clearly, the message may not be consistent across all channels. That's why we have regular meetings to align our ideas and tasks.
Does she also handle customer feedback online?
Yes, partly. She responds to comments and messages on social media, especially if they are related to content or general information. For more specific issues, she forwards them to the customer support team.
So she also plays a role in customer service in a way.
True. Even though her main focus is content, she represents the company's voice online, so she has to be careful and professional in all her responses.
I imagine her job can be stressful sometimes, especially when deadlines are tight.
That's true. For example, when we have a product launch, she works under a lot of pressure. She needs to prepare posts, coordinate with designers, and ensure everything is ready on time.
How does she manage her workload? It sounds like she has many tasks at once.
She's very organized. She uses project management tools to track her tasks and sets clear priorities. She also plans her schedule carefully so she can meet all deadlines.
That's impressive. What kind of skills does someone need to perform her role well?
Strong writing skills are essential. She also needs to understand digital marketing, basic graphic design concepts, and how to analyze online data. Time management and communication skills are also very important.
Do you think her role will become even more important in the future?
Definitely. As more companies move online, digital content plays a crucial role in attracting and keeping customers. Sarah's position will probably expand and evolve over time.
Does she also participate in meetings with clients or external partners?
Sometimes, yes. When the discussion is about online presence or branding, Sarah joins the meeting to give her expert opinion.
It's good to know that the company values her expertise.
Yes, and Sarah is also very proactive. She often suggests new ideas for content, such as interactive posts or video series.
I noticed she recently started a new blog section on our website. Was that her idea?
Yes, it was. She proposed the idea to create a blog to share useful information with our customers and strengthen our brand image.
And how successful has it been so far?
Quite successful. The blog has increased website traffic and improved customer engagement. It's a good example of how Sarah's role adds real value to the company.
It sounds like she really understands her role and performs it very well.
I agree. She is still learning, of course, but she has already made a big impact in a short time.
After hearing all this, I feel I have a much better understanding of her position. I should probably talk to her more often and learn how we can support each other.
That's a great idea. Building good relationships between colleagues makes the whole team stronger and improves overall performance.
Thanks for explaining everything, Michael. It was really helpful.
You're welcome, Anna. If you have any more questions about anyone's role, just let me know.
I will. Now I see how important it is to clearly understand our colleagues' responsibilities, not just our own.
Exactly. When everyone understands each other's roles, cooperation becomes easier, and the workplace becomes more efficient and friendly.
Well, I'd better get back to my tasks now. Thanks again for your time.
No problem. Have a productive day, Anna.
You too, Michael.